Welcome to my mathematics class, class 6th, semester 2, fractions. Yesterday we have learned about proper fractions. A proper fraction is a fraction in which numerator is less than the denominator. For example, half. Numerator is 1, denominator is 2. Numerator is less than denominator. 2 by 3, 1 by 5, 6 by 7, etc. are proper fractions. The value of proper fraction is less than 1 and they lie between 0 and 1 on a number line. So, today we know about improper fractions. Improper fraction is a fraction in which numerator is greater than the denominator. For example, 6 by 5. Numerator is 6, denominator is 5. 6 is greater than 5. Such fraction is called improper fraction. Similarly, 2 by 1 or 3 by 2, 5 by 3, etc. These are all improper fractions. We will represent an improper fraction on a number line. Let this be a number line 0, 1, 2, etc. Let us represent 3 by 2 on the number line. 3 by 2 on the number line. So, this is half or this is half, this portion is a half and this portion is divided into two halves, this is a half. Therefore, 3 by 2, 3 parts are taken in one whole. In one whole there are two equal parts. Therefore, this fraction is written like this. In one whole, 1 is divided into two parts. Therefore, number of parts in one whole are 2. The number of parts we have considered are 3. So here 1, 2, 3. 3 parts are considered. Therefore, this point represents 3 by 2. So as we have taken 3 parts, this portion is represented by 3 by 2. Similarly, we will see 5 by 2. 5 by 2 on a number line. So the denominator 2 represents the number of total parts in one whole. The number of total parts in one whole are 2. Therefore, 1 is divided into 2 parts. 1, 2. So this one is also divided into 2 parts. And this 1, 2, 2, 3, 1 is also divided into 2 parts. Now we are considered 5 parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 parts. So this is 5 by 2. Total number of parts in one whole are 2, but we have considered 5 parts. Therefore, 5 by 2. This point represents 5 by 2. So here 5, numerator is greater than the denominator and it is an improper fraction. Therefore, in an improper fraction, there are some holes. Here this is one whole and this is one whole and this is one half. So, how many holes are there? Whole things 2. 2 whole things and 1 half. So, this can also be written as 2 and a half. 2 and a half. This is written like this. This is actually 2 plus 1 by 2. 2 complete 2 wholes and 1 half. Therefore, 2 and a half, 2 plus half are generally written as 2 and half. Therefore, 2 and half is equal to 5 halves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 halves. Therefore, this is written as 5 by 2. 5 halves, that is 5 into half, is equal to 5 by 2, 5 halves. So the improper fraction contains a certain number of wholes and a fraction, and that fraction is a proper fraction. So improper fraction contains a whole number and a proper fraction. A whole number and a proper fraction. Therefore, if an improper fraction is written like this, containing a whole and a proper fraction, it is known as mixed fraction. A mixed fraction contains a whole number and a fraction. So mixed fractions examples: 2 and half, 3 1 by 4, 5 1 and half, 5 half, 2 1 by 5, etc. A whole number and a proper fraction. 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 This type of fractions are called mixed fractions. So mixed fractions contains a whole number and a proper fraction. Improper fraction is a fraction in which numerator is greater than the denominator. Proper fraction is a fraction in which numerator is less than the denominator. Now we will see some more examples for improper fractions. Suppose there are 3 chapatis. 3 chapatis. And there are 2 children.